when x minus 1 upon x is equal to 1, find x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. Now, x minus 1 upon x is equal to 1. If we square both sides, we will have x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 into x into 1 upon x is equal to 1. So x gets cancelled out. This minus 2 goes on the right hand side. So you have x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 3. Now, if we square both the sides again, then we have x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 plus 2 into x square multiplied by 1 upon x square is equal to 3 square, that is 9. X square will get cancelled out, and this 2 will come on the right hand side as minus 2. So therefore, our final answer is x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 is equal to 7.